can't find anybody, any human down here that would say hello. Claudia, it sounded like it came from over here. There's only one way in and one way out.
He'll get you.
Who will get me? Skippy?
Who's gonna get me? Is Skippy down here?
All right. Well, we have that voice on recorder, on my phone, and everything, right, Claudia?
Bad spirits here.
Is that what it said?
Yeah.
I know there's a bad
We know
spirit.
that.
His name was Skippy.
Skippy down here. Does he like to cause trouble? Is he a bully?
Are you a bully, Skippy? Manifest yourself, Skippy, right now.
No.
I'm getting mad. Now, wait, Claudia, slow down. Who was the little girl that just said hello to us earlier? There's no one down here. You hear that, Claudia? That's your stomach? Oh, well.
Video.
Yeah, you're on video. Are you on my video? Did I miss something, Skippy?
I'm wearing my Skippy socks. Hey, that Skips. Family.
Now, what's in there, Claudia? This might have been. I don't know. Now I'm hearing noise. Now I'm hearing noises down there.
Watch out. For what?
All right, let's go. It's behind us, right, Claudia?
I heard something back there.
Where?
I heard something behind
We were just there. There was nothing there. It plays games with you. It'll make noise down there and up here.
He scares people. Skippy scares people.
Yeah, Skippy scares people, all right.
He doesn't scare me. Come on out, Skips.
Does Skippy mimics a girl's voice, huh? Maybe he did something to a girl down here. Or something happened, or a girl lived down here.
Jeez, those freaking mannequins scare the hell. There's a cat ball, John.
Turn on the cat ball, see if it works. Just press the red button. We'll grab it and see. We'll tell someone if someone left it there. We'll give it to staff. All right, we're done with the Rockwell tunnels. We heard a girl's voice say hello.
Are you an investigator?
Yes, I am an investigator.
We are investigators, yes.
We're in the Mayflower building, basement, where kids used to play, and was there a chapel down here, and then there's a maintenance. King is down here. It's supposed to be he don't like anybody down here, but he gave us permission before. And remember that evidence I had last time when I went over here, Claudia?
Mm-hmm.
I saw King peeking through here. Oh, they're taking all these pipes down, Claudia. Yeah, they're starting to take some pipes out. But we're going to set the ball up again. over here so kids can play with. Over here, we got a new ball that these guys can play with. We're here to see the kids. We're not here to see King or nothing. We're here to see the playful kids. The ones that didn't get to play when they were alive, and now they get to play when they're here. Quiet. Someone leave a recorder here.
Really? Maybe they left it there, just leave it there, because they.
Oh, they want to record. All right. Well, everybody leaves things everywhere. I mean, is this the doll we brought, Claudia, here? Look, this has to be the doll. They're already playing with the ball. They're trying to touch the ball. You can get a lot of electricity over there. I'm not even near it, Claudia. It's not.
That's good, good job.
Can you walk away from that ball now? Can you make it stop beeping? Can you make it go away? Can you walk away from the beeper?
That's good. Oh.
You like the energy? Let me see if it's touching it, Claudia.
I think so.
Wait. That's me. All right. I don't know, Claudia. It's not supposed to be doing that.
Maybe there's a whole bunch of them trying to.
I don't know. Wait, hold on. Can you touch the ball? Usually when you can see, the lines will change. You see how it goes?
Yeah.
You'll see can you touch it up top here? You hear that, Claudia? It's coming from the other room. Yeah, but that's where King resides. Wait a minute, Claudia. Don't go over there by yourself. Let me see how this is. I'll turn this back on. Okay. See, now I'm not even near it, Claudia. It's like they like playing with it. It's not supposed to.
Wow.
It's just going off. Stop it. All right. I'm going to put this on the bed. Okay. I put it on the bed. Can you go over towards the okay. We'll leave that alone here.
Okay.
But for some reason, this thing's going wacky. See?
Yeah. What?
But someone turned it off up at the, Can you set this off for me? Okay. Now, if I bring the ball up here, Claudia?
Go ahead, set that off. Please.
I'll just leave it like that. You can touch the ball in the middle of the bed. They're toys for you. It gives you energy. You want energy? Put your spirit talker on.
Okay, hold on. It has to load up, hold on.
How is it going crazy over here, Claudia?
I don't know, it's not doing anything there. Come on.
It's not doing nothing on the bed. So let's go in the other room. I gotta get my K2 meter.
Did you bring that, like, EMF thing, that grid thing?
Yeah. What, the grid?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh,
somebody must be coming down.
yeah. That's weird. Are you there?